Okay, all right, language explorers. Let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So arrange. Arrange. To give something order and structure. Yeah. Order and structure. To put something in a certain sequence. To bring things together in a special way. Yeah. So I need to arrange these files. Those documents need to be arranged. We will arrange them together. We will arrange them together. How cool is that? How can we arrange these books? These books. Yeah. How can we arrange them? Maybe alphabetical? By colour? How can we arrange them? How can we bring order to these books? Maybe this one at the bottom? Maybe. Or this one, maybe like this instead. Arrange. Yeah. Depends. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So we need to arrange the files. You need to arrange the clothes. Sort them out into a nice pile. Sort them out into a nice pile. Yeah. How cool is that? She arranges them by herself. She thinks she can arrange the appointments by herself. Maybe she can. Maybe she can. It's possible, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. We want you to arrange the wedding. Arrange everything. Sort it all out. The guests, the food, the venue, the entertainment, everything. Organize it. To organize something. Yeah. Yeah. So these pieces of paper, these pieces of paper need to be arranged nicely, sorted out and organized, arranged so we can find them easily. Yeah. I'm looking for a certain date. Here it is. Looking for a certain event. Here it is. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we arrange the photos together. So, I arranged all the photos in the album. So, this means that I arrange, you arrange, they arrange, it arranges, they arrange, he arranges, she arranges. Yeah. How cool is that? I will arrange the files, you will arrange the pictures, they want to arrange all the appointments, he arranges all the meetings, she arranges all the dinners, it arranges by itself. It just arranged itself. I don't know how, but it arranged itself. How? How cool is that? So, I'm arranging a party tomorrow night. Yes. I will arrange it for Friday night. Yeah. We will arrange the meeting for Wednesday night. How cool is that? When do you want to arrange the documents? We need to spend some time arranging the documents, but when? We need to spend some time arranging the documents. but I don't know when. But I don't know when. I don't know when. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, very good. So arrange, to give something order and structure, to organize something. So I arrange, you arrange, they arrange. It arranges, he arranges, she arranges. How cool is that? So can you write arrange in a sentence? And can you put that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube, Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanshev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.